Hey, this is Nancy here. We got a free alarm for her house. She really had almost nothing of any kind of protection for her home. So, had a couple of really neat dogs. They're both Whippets, which I'm a big Whippet fan, and made her house and her dogs and her life a little bit safer. So, thanks, Cindy, for helping us help you. And for those of you out there who maybe need a little bit of help, hey, don't be afraid to ask. We can help you out with free fire blankets or fire extinguishers, or even at wholesale prices, or some free smoke alarms for your house. For those of you who kind of need that thing, so call us or let us know.